Hey Libra, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you, Libra. Oopsies. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone. So don't feel disheartened, please. In case this is not your story, you need to check out your other signs, other placements, Sun, Moon, Rising. If Libra is in your Venus signs, then you need to check out your Sun, Moon, and Rising, and likewise for the other placements. Okay, Libra. Knight of Wands at the bottom of the deck. I feel, Libra, you've been trying to get over a certain pain, something that made you feel um, that you weren't good enough. Somebody in your life made you feel you weren't good enough, and you wanted to backtrack and just rest it up for some time. I also feel that whoever you were involved with in the past kept a lot of secrets from you. It could have been a Pisces that you were involved with, or a Leo, or a water sign individual, Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces, as I mentioned. Could also be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. But whoever it was, I feel that either you or them put you through a third party situation, making you feel as if you were not good enough for them, or you accidentally, Libra, made them feel they were not good enough for you. But I feel this is the energy of the other person, because you now feel rejuvenated and you feel very confident about, okay, why are you getting all these reversals? You feel confident about yourself, and you've gained the strength to um, face the truth or face this person, confront them. Probably some of you are giving each other a second chance after this deceptive energy left. Your parents play a major role, so whatever decisions that you take, please keep them in mind, because whatever affects you affects them directly. So, in case you're feeling unwell or you're feeling disheartened about something, someone, then you need to, feel better and take better decisions, keeping your parents in mind. Something had ended in the past, making you feel very vulnerable. But I feel all those energies, the sadness, the deception, the part where you questioned everything in life has finally left you, Libra, and you feel more empowered, you feel stronger than what you felt earlier. You also feel closer to your parents nowadays, and you're giving your family a lot of time. And even if you are with somebody, I don't think you are 100% committed to them. Like, I'm not saying that you are disloyal. What I mean is that earlier, when you were in a relationship with this person, you were completely into them, but it did not turn out to be very fruitful. So when you backtracked and you took some time off, both of you, to contemplate and see what is happening in your relationship and what needs to be tweaked. Now, when you both come together, or now when you've both come together, um, I feel you have kept like 50% of the love, care, and time for yourself and your family and the ones who truly matter, like your friends, because you've seen that this person can leave once, or you could have left this person once, and because you carry that energy with you, you don't want to give in like your 100% to this relationship. I feel you guys are taking time to get into it completely, which is good because when you take hasty decisions, you end up falling face first into trouble. So, Libra, as a sign, I know you always weigh the pros and cons. I know that you always see what needs to be paid attention to and what doesn't. Sometimes, yes, you tend to take these decisions where you automatically regret them, but then you're quick enough to make amends and, alter your decisions. Also, what I feel is that this person is doing the same thing. There could be trust issues in this relationship. The other person doesn't trust you, or you don't trust your partner. But I think with time it may feel better, but I'm not sure because I don't see it getting better. I feel, yes, the person you are with has a lot of sides to them. They're not easy to read, or perhaps they feel that you aren't easy to read, and it's a task to understand you, which is, I think, with most people, because when you're not in touch with yourself, you become hard to read, and vice versa. Um, but guys, I feel that when now that you have decided to start afresh, please don't carry the past with you. Learn from the past, remember the lessons, but don't carry that hate and that unpleasant feeling with you. Balance spirituality and practicality. You've got the full moon in Pisces, full moon eclipse, you've got full moon in Scorpio. You could have Scorpio in your chart, or your partner could have Scorpio in some important placements in their chart. Um, as I said, you guys haven't put like invested 100% into this relationship. Your commitment is being tested here, Libra. Take your time. Don't jump to conclusions. Um, don't assume stuff about your partner. Don't let them assume things about you. Conclusions are within reach. If you feel that, even if you get a hint of a red flag and see, if you feel that this partner of yours is not good enough for you, or there is some kind of shady energies over here, see this card like this, if this is prevalent even now, then I think you need to not invest your energies into this, because nothing will come of this situation. Um, and as I mentioned, release the negativity from the past, because that is just going to hinder in this relationship, Libra. Yeah. And it's all up to you. You need to see what works for you and what doesn't, because it's your relationship, it's your life, and they're your feelings at the end of the day. I'm not saying go be brutal and hurt the other person, but don't hurt yourself either, Libra. I hope this reading helped. Thank you for watching. Bye.